Well, happy hump day. It is Wednesday, and for me it's Friday. I am off work Thursday and Friday. Bring on the 4th of July, baby. Whew, looking forward to the long 4-day weekend, that's for sure. It's been a long, short week. Hate when that happens, whenever you're only going to be working for 3 or 4 days, got a holiday, and man, do they try and get everything out of you on those short weeks. The last 2 days have already felt like 5 days of work. Still got one more to go. Hopefully it won't be too bad though. Starting out kind of blah. Driving this morning, really thought traffic would be a little bit on the lighter side. A lot of times when you have holidays, day before, day after, a lot of people just take off work, you know, give themselves a long weekend, all that good stuff. But today traffic is pretty bad. The radio said there was a fire in our zipper lane, but I look over at the zipper lane and it looks like it's free flowing, but on the radio said one of the lanes was, zipper lane was closed and yada yada yada. But I don't know, maybe wrong lane, I don't know, but it's at least moving. It's not at a standstill. But yeah, I thought today traffic would be a little bit lighter. Maybe I should have kayaked, but oh well, it is what it is. Don't really have any plans for the 4th. I don't know, just see what happens, kind of see how we feel the day of. Might get out and go check out some stuff tomorrow. Might go to fireworks show tomorrow night. I don't know. Who knows? Not me. I don't know. Maybe my wife knows. Doubt it. She's probably in the same boat as I am. Wait and see. I don't know. A lot of times we're like, oh yeah, we'll go do this, and we just end up not leaving the house or doing it. And sometimes our kids just don't even want to go do it. So see how everybody's feeling tomorrow when the time comes to decide if we're gonna go do anything or not. Honestly, it might just be a midweek beach day. I don't know how busy it'll be, but we might save that for, well, I don't know. I was gonna say maybe save that for Friday, but I think my kids got school on Friday. I think they're only off on Thursday, so I don't know. I'm really hoping maybe over this 4-day weekend I'll get my life together and clean up my garage. Excuse me. Not necessarily clean it up. Well, it needs to be cleaned up. Actually, it more needs to be organized and cleaned up. So we got here in December, and most of my garage is still in boxes. I've not had the willpower to get out there and organize and put stuff in its place. Just haven't. Plus it's hot in that garage. I don't know, like my garage is just super warm. I open up the doors and stuff and it just is not, it's just a warm garage. But maybe over this 4-day I'll finally get some energy, get out there, knock that out, make it look a little bit better, maybe even make it where we can put one of the cars in there. No promises. See what happens. But yeah, that's all I got for now. Let's enjoy the drive. Costco sucks. It's always busy. Always. I'll give them credit though, they are efficient getting you in and out of the lines. The lines aren't bad, it's just the rest of the store. But yeah, really becoming one of my least favorite things to do is go to Costco. Costco trip complete. Wasn't too crazy of a trip. I'm in the Mini Cooper, so I gotta remember that sometimes. Not in the minivan. Can only fit so much in this tiny car. Pretty much, you know, buy a thing of toilet paper and paper towels at Costco and I'm pretty much maxed out. But got a few items, get us through the weekend hopefully. Oh yeah, Costco trips. It's funny, like parking sucks, and then just getting back out the door with them checking your receipt sucks, and then walking around. Some areas are worse than others. But yeah, I mean, like everything's crowded about it, and just so many dang people all the time. Doesn't matter what time you go, what day you go. Costco here is just always packed. Yeah, like I said, they do a great job though of actually, like, you know, getting people through the checkouts though. I mean, usually most all the lines are open. They usually got 2 people working each line, so they usually get you through there pretty quick, surprisingly. But yeah, madhouse. Again, parking's the worst. I really don't understand why Hawaii doesn't have more parking garages at like Costco, Walmart, malls, stuff like that. Especially out here on the west side. Like, I get it, like this is the area that's kind of being built up, it's not as populated and all that, but it's coming, you know. Like, yeah, this place is gonna be people everywhere. You already need parking decks. You just built this stuff within the last 5 to 10 years. As soon as you built it, you already needed parking decks. Target, any little strip mall, like, just build a couple of parking decks, like, to help out tremendously. I probably spend 15 to 20 minutes driving around the Costco parking lot waiting to get a parking spot usually. And again, that's doesn't matter what time, what day, it's always like that. Yeah, so that sucks, but it is what it is. Part of it, that's Hawaii for you. I'm sure there's other places like that as well. I just haven't lived there yet. But yeah, at this point, head to the house, put all this away, eat some dinner. I'll drink me some cold beers tonight. That's it for today.